Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a brilliant black 2016 Chrysler Town & Country Touring, stock number A7170. You have factory fog lights up front and a beautiful chrome grille. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Yokohama Advid tire. Inside, there's a black leather upholstery that's in fantastic condition. You've got seating for two in the front row. There is also seating for two back in the second row. And then coming to the third row, might be a little hard to see back here, but you've got seating for three, making this a 7-passenger Town & Country. Up here on the ceiling, you do have a rear DVD player and rear climate controls. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. Alright, you do have a backup camera here. Inside of the trunk is very clean. That third row seating folds into a 60-40 split. The second row seating does fold down as well. So that gives you a ton of extra space when needed. You've got a push button start, so it's as easy as the push of one button to get that trunk open and closed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Chrysler today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and carpeted floor mats. To the left of the steering wheel, you have audio controls. On the right-hand side, you have cruise control buttons. On the driver's side visor, there are HomeLink garage door opener buttons. You have a great touchscreen display here. This is where your backup camera will show. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You have a USB port and an auxiliary port. You've also got capabilities for Sirius radio. Coming down underneath of that, there are dual climate controls. You do have buttons here for heated front row seating as well as a heated steering wheel. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 3.6-liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 25 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Town & Country or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.